Hello everybody, it is your boy Spongy here. Oh my god guys, this morning I woke up and we went up by 22 subscribers. I mean, that's not a whole lot, but in one night, 22 subscribers, it's pretty damn awesome. And I want to give shout outs to everybody, because I found a method that I can use. And no, I'm not going to use it with anybody, but we are back with cats, Crash, Areno, Turbo, Stars, and we ran into a kind of a problem. See, watch, I kind of messed up. Let me turn the volume down. Okay. So, I'm gonna... We'll keep sound on, but no, guys, we went up by 22 subscribers. You know what this means. The family is getting together. The Jam Fam is getting bigger and better. And we have a sponsored box and a metal box to open. Well, it's a super box. But let's open this because I accidentally bent my parts and I kind of lost them. So, yeah. Okay, what we get? We get another laser. Okay. We get a 4-star rocket. We get a 5-star forklift. Dang. We get a back pedal, a booster, chainsaw, and an attack toolbox. Okay, let's look at this. That's some good stuff. Let's collect that. And let's go ahead and... What's this? This is level 6. What can we do here? We can put this right here. And then we can take this and put this right here, and then we have no rails, but you know, we don't care about that. Let's take this wheel off and see what we can do with just doing this. Let's see if this does anything. Okay, that gives me ideas. That gives me good ideas. We do have this attack bonus that we could put on here. What would this do? It would plus it up by 18. That would not be a bad idea for that. Let's see what this... No, we can't do that. I was trying to click my weapon. This goes up by 18. But it's at max level. Because it's only a level 1. But, no. What if we take this off and put this? Not enough power. What do you mean? Not enough power. Will this fit? No, it won't. Okay, so we have to use this. Since it's at its max. Let's open this box and see if we get anything good. It's a super box. Okay, we got a Titan, 4-star, and you can put 3 weapons on it, and it's got 12 energy. We got 3-star boulder. I hate the boulder ones. I don't know. I just do not like them. We got a sneaky. Ooh, okay. We got another drill. Well, not another, but our first drill. Oh, finally, we got a surfer. We got a 5-star blade. We got a sneaky. Okay, let's collect that. Then let's go ahead and unlock that for that. Okay, so what we got now in our weapons is we got these. And that does work, but this has 35 too. This only had 28. Which also means we can take... Where is it at? Where is it at? Hang on. Here it is. We could also take this and add it onto here, which would be 3,600, and it would add 18 attacks. So let's sell it. And then let's grab this. And then let's do a quick fight, see what it does. Okay. Well, that wasn't hard. That wasn't hard at all. How was he still alive? You see his health bar? It was at 0. It was at 0. Like, why? Like, why would that even be a thing? Like, okay. So we got another 2-hour box, and we don't have 10 things to open it. Guys, well, we ran into a problem. We're gonna have to fight everybody. Let's fight Subdog, and let's destroy him. Never mind, let's not destroy him. Okay, that booster didn't do too well. What if we did something with the back booster? Let's take this off. Let's find our back booster. And let's see what this does in a quick fight. We're going to the tournament mode. What? Oh, he has a giant laser. Look at that laser, guys. He's got a giant laser. I want that laser. Can we, like, upgrade this? Yeah, we could. It'd give it 2 attack. We can't use the chainsaw. I would. I wonder. Oh, looky here. Okay, so we can take this and this. Take this. Fight. Okay. Wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Let's try it. Yeah, I lost it. SML. Yeah, Felt. His name was Felt, so it's You Felt as a mother and you felt as I wonder how much that would put us at 11. Could we still ooh. Yeah. Let's just take everything off for now. Cause I know we have oh wait, this is a 5-star one. Okay, that's why we have so much health. We got 4-star rocket, which is 9. Then we got a laser, which is 17. And this right here is 35, and this is 34, which is pretty good damage for both of them. Let's put our big wheel on that, and let's take our small wheel and put it on. Damn! Yeah, son. Let's do this again. We need a more challenging guy. Yeah, he's challenging. Okay, I lost. Okay, that's okay. It's fine. I swear, it's fine. Okay, so we could bet, but not right now. Let's just go and hit fight, and let's just fight everyone. My laser would have blew him out the sky. Yes, see, my laser needs to be faster, stronger. He's got a really good chainsaw for some reason. I don't know why. Okay. This doesn't look too good. Get wrecked, son. We got 3 wins out of 8 so far. We're out of 7. This means we lost 4. Oh, by the way, yeah, saying that we made it up so many subscribers. See, what I'm doing, the more subscribers I get, you know, guys, the more I'm going to be devoted to be doing YouTube. And saying that we just made this many, you know, I'm going to be excited. And I'm going to, you know, do better on my videos. Because, you know, I'm just like that. I'm just like that, okay? Why am I losing every single one? Like, is there a problem here? I won 4 fights. That's it. 4 fights. Why only 4? There's a reason for this. I need stickers. Stickers. Wait, hold on. I just thought of something. We're gonna make this look like a sniper from Burn Tower Defense. Look at his hairdo. Look at his hairdo. Well, this is a sniper, so we do need our anchor, like... Okay. Oh, wait, that anchor didn't work out too well. Okay. Let's do a quick fight. See, when it comes to quick fights, we're like the boss. But when it comes to being us, we suck. In the championship. I wonder what we can do about this. I wonder. I hate to tell you guys this, but you know how it says 3,000 on that side? Well, that guy's not gonna win. This guy is. Watch. I will prove it. I will bet my $5 card. Yes, I did. Yes. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to take this off. Put this on. Put this on. Since this is 5-star and it has 35. And it's actually pretty fast. I want to see how it works. How? Just how? Oh, he has 91 attack. That's why. How, boy? Why do we suck so bad? So, we freaking suck. You know what? That's gonna be the title. We suck. We suck. We suck. We just suck. We suck. We suck. We suck. Okay, guys. So as you know, I got a job at McDonald's. I start tomorrow, and it's gonna be hype. It's gonna be hype. So hype. Hype. Pa. But that's gonna do it for this episode, guys. And if you enjoyed, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. And please share to all social media, so that way the Jam Fam can rise up. And until next time, see you when I see you. Peace.